Amber and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick and easy Halloween makeup look. So if you don't know what you want to be yet and you want to be something cute that's easy to do, then this is the look for you.
You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
Okay, so I feel like a gazillion people have done this. It's like a deer and it's like so basic, but I want to do it because I've never actually done it before, so I was like, why not do it today? So that's one. Okay, so I'm just going to start by doing my base makeup by just doing foundation and primer and stuff like that and powder. So you can obviously do whatever you want, but I'm going to be using the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in 10 Light Porcelain and also the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in Peach Glow, and I'm just going to apply these to my face. Now you're going to want to take a bronzer. I'm taking this one by Makeup Revolution, and you like really want to go in and bronze up your face. So I'm just going to do quite a lot. I'm just going to start by doing like how I'd regularly do it, and I'm going to go in with another brush. I'm going to take a like fluffy brush, and this is kind of just to blend it into my skin so it's not as, I don't know, so it just looks a bit more like natural. Now I'm going to take a sleek bronzer just to kind of darken it up a bit more because this one's more darker than the other one. With the same sleek bronzer, I'm just going to take a small like eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to kind of contour my nose and kind of join it up here onto my eyebrow. I'm going to do them in a second. Then I'm going to take the bronzer and just run it through my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows using my powder by Makeup Obsession. Now I'm going to take the NYX Strawberry Genius palette. I'm going to use this like kind of, not really coppery, but like kind of shade over here. And I'm just going to highlight. And I'm going to take the Super Cat black liner pen thing from Soap and Glory. I'm just going to do a like chunky liner on both my eyes. Okay, so now I'm doing this. So they're kind of like white dots. I don't really know, but these are just what I see that people do because I think on like this have like white dots on them. Just taking a white eyeshadow from my Zoeva palette. Obviously you can use whatever you want. I'm using like this small rounded brush by Lottie London, and I'm just taking a bunch of white eyeshadow and just circling it, and it's like so good. This white eyeshadow called Wax Paper is really pigmented, so I'm just gonna kind of do like a few dots like this over here. And then I'm going to do also some around my forehead. Wow, look at this. Hold my eyelashes and put some mascara on so that we can see the eyelashes. I'm going to use the Thick and Fast mascara by Soap and Glory. You could put false lashes on and it might make it look a bit better, but I just think a couple coats of mascara will be fine. I'm going to take a pencil liner by MUA, and this is just a white one. I'm just going to line my bottom lash line. Now this is a part that I could get really messed up on, but I'm going to again take this black eyeliner and I'm going to just put this kind of like outline my lips to start off with, but only my top lip. Obviously, if you did have a black lipstick, then you could use it, but I don't. So I'm just compromising. So I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and just apply this on. Again, with the liner, I'm just going to kind of do like a line here. Look, this is so hard to do. And I'm going to make the tip of my nose, like from here, I'm going to outline it with this and then go in with some black eyeshadow. I don't think this is how it's meant to look. Just realised I actually had face paint and there's a black in this. Literally painting inside my nostril. Now I've got all the face paint on my nose. I'm going to take a matte lipstick, 'cause this is like just a pink, and I'm just going to put this on my bottom lip. Okay, so this is the final look. My black eyeshadow kind of keeps going onto this bit of my lip, so it's super fun. But this is like cute, it's not like gruesome or anything, it's really easy to do, like anyone could do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!